Hi. So you want to put this on the access hinge on the panel. So the first thing you want to do is use a hair dryer to get it pliable. And the second thing I do is, this is rubbing alcohol in here, and I spray it on both sides. And I get in the middle and pull it down. We usually do this ourselves. And this is, you get a mallet.
Scoot over a little bit so it's even.
Okay, and then you don't want to use a regular hammer.
Scoot that over a little bit. Is it even?
It's
okay.
even, yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
And then you want to just hit it really hard on one side. And then you'll put the other one on like this to make it like this. Okay? And it's okay to use a mallet.
You don't want to break that one off.
Yeah.
Probably won't.
Okay. Rubbing alcohol and a mallet. And that's why we usually do it for you.
And don't be afraid of hitting it hard.